I always wanted a lighted makeup mirror, and when I saw this compact portable mirror, I just knew I must have it. It came very well packaged, nothing was scratched or damaged. Every single component was secured with foam or bubble wrap. Also, the mirror comes mostly pre-assembled, so you don't have to worry about a long setup process. The little zoom x10 mirror can be placed anywhere on the main mirror with suction cups, so it can be adjusted at any time. After unpacking the mirror, it's as easy as just plugging it in and it's ready for use. The mirror has 3 light color choices and dimmable LED bulbs. Also, this mirror comes in multiple colors, so it will match any style of room. The mirror also has a 360-degree free rotation that can be fixed into any position to help you achieve the perfect angle for anything you're doing. My favorite feature is probably the 3 light color choices, as it allows me to check my makeup under pretty much all light conditions. This helps me make sure there is no missed blending spots that only stand out under a certain type of light. Overall, this is a great little mirror, especially if you have limited space available to you.